How to clear clogs on your Shark Navigator 0M Pet Pro. If the brush roll indicator light turns red, it could mean there's a blockage or a clog. First, turn off and unplug your vacuum. Next, detach the wand handle and hose and check all the openings for clogs. Using a flashlight can help you find obstructions in the vacuum. To clean any debris off the bristles, remove the cover on the bottom of the nozzle by using a coin to open the 3 locks. When finished, reattach the cover using a coin to turn the locks clockwise. Once all clogs are removed and the vacuum has been reassembled, plug in the vacuum and turn on the power. The brush roll indicator light should be green, indicating that the blockage has been removed. For additional support, visit sharkclean.com.